Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekkalaiva. First, I'm going to recall the formula, right? What formula? Already I have discussed with you, right? X plus A, the whole power n equal to nc naught x power n a power 0 plus nc1 x power n minus 1 a power 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 a power 2 plus etc. plus ncn x power 0 a power n. The power of first term is decreased by 1. The power of second term is increased by 1. See here n minus 1, n minus 2, like that it will go, and then at the end it becomes 0. Here you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At the end we arrived a power n. Now, which is equal to sigma notation it is, right? The format we converted into the series, we converted into the notation. How we are going to convert into the notation, that you have to listen. R equal to 0 to n, nc r x power n minus r a power r. See, for example, r equal to 0, the sigma, the symbol, it represents addition, right? Summation, addition, right? R equal to 0, nc naught x power n a power 0. First term we got, right? Now I am going to recall the standard form result. What is that? nc naught equal to nc n equal to 1. Next, nc1 equal to n, nc2 equal to n into n minus 1 divided 2. Next, ncr equal to nc n minus r. First. Next, ncr, what is that formula? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay. Then simple. We are going to play with the numbers, right? 1 or 2 minutes we will play, right? For example, 10 to the power 1. What is the result? Immediately you people say 10, right? Here how many zeros are there? 1 0. 1 into 1, 1. So here you are added only 1 0. Now what is 10 square? Immediately you people say, right, 100. How you are getting 100? Did you think of it, children? If you think, okay, fine. If you didn't know that, you should learn now. How many zeros are there? 1 0. The power is 2. 1 into 2, 2. That means how many zeros you want to add? 2 zeros. Then 10 power 3. 1 into 3, 3. So how many zeros? 3 zeros. Right? Got it, children? It is applicable only for 10 to the power. Right? Suppose multiple of 10 also it is possible, not for any of the number. See, 100 power 0. What it is? 2 zeros are there, here 3 is there. So 2 into 3, 6. That means how many zeros you want to add in the result? 6 zeros. Right? Got it, children? You may ask, suppose 20, how it is? Yes, you may ask, right? Now you see, 20 the whole power 2. It can be written as 2 into 10 to the power 2. Am I right, children? Now, you are going to apply the law of exponent. That is AB, the whole power n equal to a power n into b power n. The same logic. 2 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 2. 1 0, power is 2. So how many zeros? 2 zeros. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 100, which is equal to 400. Got it, children? Multiples of 10, it is possible. Right? Why we played with the number? The result we are going to use it in the sum for that purpose, right? Now you people are fresh, right? Now shall I move to the next exercise, children? Exercise 2.6. Question number 2, second subdivision. 999 the whole power 5. It is monomial. If it is a binomial only, we can apply the formula. How we are going to change it in binomial? Now you see 1000 minus 1 the whole power 5. Right? 1000 minus 1 the whole power 5. You may ask, Miss, why can't 990 plus 9? That also possible. But multiplication, as per the multiplication purpose, we wrote 1000 minus 1. That's all. Right? Now, I'm going to apply the formula. In the place of A, what is your number? 1000. Sorry, in the place of X, 1000. What is your N? 5. X is equal to 1000. A equal to 1. You are going to relate with the formula, right? Now, 1000 minus 1, the whole power 5 equal to 5C0, 1000 power 5 minus 1, the whole power 0, plus 5C1, 1000 power 4 minus 1 power 1 plus 5C2 1000 power 3 minus 1 the whole power 3 plus 5C3 1000 square minus 1 the whole power 3 plus 5C4 1000 into minus 1 the whole power 4 plus 5C5 1000 power 0 minus 1 the whole power 5. I played with the numbers. Why I played? Now you can understand. Right, children? Now you see 5C naught. NC naught value is 1. 1000 power 5. Here how many zeros are there? 3 0. Power is 5. 3 5s are 15. In the result, how many zeros you want to add? 15 zeros. Got it, children? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Anything raised to 0, the value become 1 plus NC1 equal to N. So 5C1 is 5 minus 1 the whole power is minus 1. Power 1 is 1. 1000 power 4, that is 3 zeros into 4. So 3 into 4, 12. How many zeros you want to add? 12 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus 5C2. I gave a formula NC2 equal to N into N minus 1 divided by 2 into 1. See 5C2 equal to 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. Based on this, you are expressing the term in the numerator, that too in the reverse order, reduced by 1, right? Now what is the value of 5C2? 10. So 10 minus 1 the whole power, minus 1 the whole power 2. So it become 1. 1000 power 3. 3 zeros into 3. So 9 zeros you want to add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 5C3. 5C3 is equivalent to 5C2. So 10. 10 into, here 3 zeros, power is 2. Got it? So 3 into 2, 6. How many zeros you want to add? 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1 the whole power 3. It is minus 1 because it is an odd integer. 5C4 equal to 5C1. So 5 into 1000 into 1, because even integer, the negative become positive. 5C, got it children? 5C5, 1. Anything raised to 0, that value is also 1. Minus 1, the whole power 5, here it is an odd integer, you will get it as negative. Now we are going to simplify, right? Which is equal to 15 zeros. You have to be very careful. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. Now, 5 into minus 1, 5. 5 into this many, right? 5 into minus 1, minus 5. Minus 5 into 1, minus 5. Then you should add how many zeros? 12 zeros. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here you see 10. How many zeros are there? 9 zero. So 10 into 9 0, will get it as 10 zeros. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus, here 6 zeros, just you are going to add one more zero in that format. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 5000 minus 1. Now we are going to subtract, right? Addition is also there, subtraction is also there. The result I am going to give, you people should check whether the answer is correct or not, right? 99, 500, then 999, 000, 1 minute children. 99, 500, 999, 004, 4 again. Triple zero, 4, 999. Got it? Now 1. This is Indian system, right? If you want, you should express in the international also, right? First one is Indian, second one is international, right? I'm going to show you how I arrived the result. Listen here, 1. Then how many zeros you want to add? 15 zeros. First term, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next term is what? Minus. First I will add the positives, right? Next, here how many zeros are there? 10 zeros are there. So you should write it in the reverse order, then only it is easy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then it becomes 1. After that what? 5000, right? 5000. Am I correct children? 5000. First you should add this number. What can you arrive? 0, such a big number, no? You have to be very careful and then add. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then how many zeros? 4 zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now we are going to the negatives alone, you have to add it separately. Finally, you have to subtract. Got it, children? The negatives. See, first 5, then how many zeros? 12 zeros, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you should put 5. You are going to subtract. 0, 0, 0, 5. Then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Then 0, 5. Sorry. What you will get here? You are subtracting the format, right? This is minus. Now, 10 minus 5. 5. Here it becomes 9. Here it becomes 9. So, 9, 9. Got it, children? Next, which one you want to subtract? Next, the 10, 7 zeros are there, no? Minus 10. That is 10, 7 zeros. 0, 0, 0, right? 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. Then you put what? 1. Got it? Now we are going to subtract. 0, 0, 0, 5. Then how many zeros? 0, 0, 0. Here it becomes 10, 9, 9. Then it becomes 0. Right? 10 minus 1, 9, 9, 9, 0, 0, 5, double 9. You have to be very careful and then subtract, children, right? The last one is what? Minus 1. Right? Got it or not? Minus 1. Now we are going to subtract. 9, 9, 9, 4. Then how many zeros? Triple zeros. Then how many nines I said? Triple 9. Then 500. Then double 9. What I said, what I did, what I wrote it here, the same result I arrived. The calculation you have to be very careful and do, right? Thank you, children. One more thing I want to tell you. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates. Thank you, children.